What is up, guys? And in this video, I am going to be giving you some 11 awesome Discord tips and tricks and Easter eggs kind of stuff to make your day, because these are some never seen before epic Discord tricks. You might have seen some, but the chances are pretty low because I haven't covered them in previous videos and I haven't seen them, be shared around that much. They're not like the One Piece boost trick or the Dance Dance Revolution thing. They're completely fresh on the block, epic tricks that you're gonna like. So stick around for that and make sure to join my Discord server. The link is down below, and it's really awesome. Look at how active it is. Yeah, we totally only had 6 messages today. We got tons of giveaways and other cool stuff. So yeah, join today. Alright guys, so our first trick starts out here on the control slash page. So everyone already knows the trick with the arrows. Just press the arrow keys and you get awesome sounds, DJ Prolo. So yeah, what people don't know is that if you go down here in the miscellaneous section, there's this command right here called Raging Demon, which kind of inferably actually makes a raging demon appear. So if you press these keys individually, then here's what happens. So you just have to press these keys individually, and oh, here it is. Nice. There's the raging demon, and that's a JPEG image. Alright, guys. So our next trick, number 2, takes place in the settings. So people think that you would need a bot to track your invites and everything, but actually you can get even a more complex form of that in your own settings. You just scroll and go to invites, and you get a nice little menu featuring all your server invites, all their codes, and how many uses they have, when it expires, the user that created the code. So it's really elaborate. You get every user, all the invites they created, how much they were used. So it's a more even elaborate form of tracking, better than any invite logging bot. Because that only tells like how much invites you have, but this like basically gives you everything. Really neat. And there's my invite code. Yeah, there are 131 uses. Basically everyone joined with this code. So yeah, pretty awesome, I guess. So our third trick is a really cool one, I guess. So credit to a user named SkitterTE. Can't find it here. But there we go. This guy. He taught me how to do this with one of his epic videos. You can actually get the owner crown back on your avatar here in a Discord server member list. I suddenly cannot speak. So how you do this is probably know that when you create a server, you got your little icon here, which is a owner crown that appears, letting people know that you're the owner. And it goes away as soon as you create a role with admin firms, whether you have it or not. So people usually think that there's a kind of time limit on it, and it disappears after 2 weeks of the server being a thing. But no, you just got to create an admin role, and it is gone forever. So pretty much inferable again. You just discontinue all the admin roles, which is going to make Casey very mad, but it is for this video. You turn off admin on all the roles that have admin, excluding bot roles and the booster role, the default booster role. And as soon as you reload Discord, you should get the crown. And boys, there it is, an old schooler. I just reloaded Discord and boom, server owner. Pretty neat, eh? Or I'm gonna give Casey back her admin perms, or I mean him, because like he's literally gonna kill me. So in the previous trick, you may have seen me say something about the booster role. This kind of makes you wonder, when you boost a server, is like there's some bot that auto assigns a role? Nope, it's Discord automatically. So if your server hasn't ever had boosts before, unfortunately, you can't really access this yet. But as soon as you get your first boost, there is a role that defaultly looks like this. We have no boost right now, so unfortunately this role is not assigned to anyone. I don't think you can like auto assign it to anyone manually yourself, and this role will get auto assigned to everyone that boosts your server. So if you have no boosts and want to create like a nitro booster role like we have, doing it is well kind of futile. So we did this, but then they get auto assigned this role. So when you boost our server, you kind of get two roles. So we're gonna like switch this over soon, but yeah, I guess now you know what it's like to have boosts. It's really, really tricky. All right, number 5 is pretty cool, and it has to do with your epic channel topics right above. So you're probably wondering, how do you get emojis in there? So for a default emoji, you'll just need to put actual emoji alias, and you should be good. There we go. We got the default eyes emoji. However, to get other emojis, like custom ones, like smile dog, let's take that. Let's try to put that in there. So we remove eyes and we replace it with smile dog. Nope, we can't do that. So what you're gonna have to do is put smile dog in chat and then put a backslash before it and then send that. So then you're gonna get this neat little thing called the emoji ID, which is like the whole completion of the emoji. So right clicking the emojis won't work. Even if you have developer mode toggled, you'll need to do that backslash thing. You copy that, go back to the channel topic, and that is how you post emojis in channel topics, custom ones. Now, for an animated emoji, you would just replace smile dot with an animated emoji if you had Nitro. But if you don't have Nitro, you can't do that. So what you could do is either ask someone else to do it for you, or kind of fetch the emoji ID with the inspect tool, which is pretty tricky and even more futile because it just puts the animated emoji without actually animating it. So the best way is to ask someone with Nitro to be very kind to you. And yeah. Number 6, so okay, this is pretty nice. Just keep hitting tab and watch what happens. Hey there, tab friend. You can navigate through Discord using tab or arrow keys just fine, but there are some other helpful things we've added. Control K. Alright, bet you didn't know that. Alright, so most people, when they post the sideways smiley face emoticon in chat, Discord auto makes it the slight smile emoji. Or if you do a uppercase B, okay, that doesn't work anymore. That used to work a long time ago. Lol. This one, I think it, yeah, turns it into the smile. So you're probably wondering, how on earth so many times did I send those kinds of messages? So if you see my actual chat messages, you might see that I sent, oh, give me a minute. Well, Discord is being very not good to me, but basically messages like this, where what? Did it just not turn it into the sleigh smile? How? So this is pretty simple. All you have to do is go to your user settings, text and images, and this thing right here automatically convert emoticons into emojis. For example, when you do that, just convert it to that. I have this off because I like to flex my secret power that I'm just today revealing to you guys. All right, pretty cool. Did you know you can only have a maximum of 50 pins per channel? Don't believe me? Just Google it, OMEGALUL. It says 50. Alright, now this fact is actually pretty cool. You can pin messages in DMs. So yeah, there's this little icon here, and yep, there is pinned messages in DMs. So yeah, again, you just pin message, right? Except, oh yeah, there's proof for the 50 pin limit, by the way. And I can't pin messages in SoundDroid's DMs because they have blocked me. Which brings us to our 10th. How do we check if a user has blocked you? So, other than the obvious, because that's obviously trying to message them and you will fail. Like, that's duh. There are other ways to check if someone has blocked you. So, the first way, you have to react to their message in any way, any emoji, and if your reaction does not go through, there is your first clue. The second way is to send them a friend request. And if it says, it didn't work, double check everything. That is usually the menu that appears when you are sending a manual friend request through this Add Friend tab, which is very case sensitive, so it expects a lot of errors, so that's why it says that. Of course, the third way is to unpin a message in your DMs. And if it does not work, then unfortunately, this user has blocked you. And there is obviously a way to separate that from Discord going crazy on you. Just do it to someone else. And if it works for them, then I guess this user has unfortunately blocked you and cannot see your messages as well as get notifications for your pings. Oh, great sadness. Alright, guys, it's time for the last trick. And it's, well, pretty odd. So, if you do 2 straight up slashes, I do not know what those are called, 2 underscores, 3 asterisks, 2 grave accents, the word LOL in all caps, and then the whole thing again backwards, you'll get something pretty interesting. Basically, all the text altering you can do in one message. Pretty cool, huh? Because you can put text in italics and bold 2. You can do bold italics with 3 asterisks and all that. So yeah, you can actually everything in one. That's really miscellaneous. Alright guys, that's it for this video, for now. If you enjoyed, make sure to comment and tell me, like, what was your favorite one and all that junk. And, yeah, like, subscribe, join this Discord now and boost it because I'll be very sad if you do not do that. And, yeah, again, we got lots of giveaways for you, advertising, content, fun events, more, and yeah, that's this video. I already did my salad and everything, so, without any further ado, bye-bye.